Hi, boys and girls. Well, before we read a book about the moon, and it was a Native American tale that helped us know the phases of the moon. Well, now we have a scientific book that is just simply called The Moon. And we know the moon is a satellite that orbits around the Earth. And did you know we only ever see one side of the moon because it does not rotate? Well, let's find out some more information about the moon. Oh, hey, I see moo and then moon. I wonder if that's what they meant by the cow jumping over the moon because it can go moo. I wonder. Our title page, The Moon. Table of contents. So we're right. We are going to get some information about the moon. We have the content area and then the page where we will find that information. The moon. The moon is the brightest object in the night sky. It reflects the sun's light. So a lot of people think that the moon shines on its own, but it is actually catching the light from the sun and then reflecting it onto the earth. I like how it has left a trail on top of the water. The moon seems to change shape during the month. The moon can look round like a circle. It can look narrow like a banana. Or some people call it a God's thumbnail. Some people call it the crescent moon. And obviously, some people think it looks like a banana. The moon and Earth. The moon is Earth's satellite. It moves around Earth once each month. The same side of the moon always faces the Earth. So it goes round and round, following the same path, trapped in Earth's gravitational rotation. The moon shines brightly at night. It looks lighter in the day because sometimes you will see the moon in the day, which is really weird. The moon is much smaller than the Earth. If the Earth were a tennis ball, the moon would be the size of a marble. Earth, moon. I like how they have labels in this book to help me know what I'm looking at. The moon's surface. Gray dust and rocks cover the moon. The moon's surface is rough. We can see a lot of craters on our moon. That's where other objects have hit the surface of the moon and left an indentation. Craters make the moon's surface bumpy. These holes formed when objects hit the moon. Wow, some of those objects were pretty big. The larger the object, the heavier the indentation or deeper the indentation. So this one must have been a small object, whereas this one here, big. Same with this one. The moon is not like Earth. The moon has no air or water. Hey, and those are two things that we need to survive. The sky is always black. So it would be nighttime all the time on the moon. The sky is always black. There's no air, which explains why the astronauts always need to have air tanks, and it has no water. So hopefully they have water to drink on their spacecraft. Exploring the moon. Astronauts have landed on the moon 6 times. They gathered rocks and soil to study, because we know that if we study something, we get more information and we can make an informed decision and figure out ways to solve problems. And then here is our glossary, our read more suggestions, and internet sites about the moon. Well, we know that the moon is mostly out in the night. And, what are some things that we like to do at night when the moon is out? Well, that's what you're going to be doing today. You have a sentence prompt that says, at night, I like to. Well, what do you like to do at night? I think at night I like to sleep, but it's also a really nice time to play flashlight tag. Or maybe I could read a book and drink some hot chocolate in front of a movie. I don't know. What are some things that you like to do at night? Tell us about it in your journal and illustrate it for us.